Progressive exercise number 8. Be ready. Start. You have come here from distant places to congratulate me. I am thankful to you. Today, the whole country is complimenting the scientists, engineers, and officers and jawans of the army who have carried our successful nuclear test at Pokhran. Years long efforts have borne fruit. The strength of the nation has manifested itself in the form of successful elimination of these nuclear tests. It has never been the Indian tradition to be an aggressor or to be unjust or cause atrocities. We have always believed in sacrifice, in dedication, and in staking our lives for the sake of our own dignity. We had faced a number of invasions time and again. We have never ventured out to attack any country. But we were divided, we were infinite to our individual circles, and we were not concerned about the happenings in other parts of the world. This was the reason why we lost our freedom on a number of occasions. But it is also true that our preparedness for fight never ceased. The struggle always continued. We converted our defeat struggle into victory, and invaders and tyrants were always given a befitting reply. Whenever we unsheathed our sword for the protection of the dignity of our country or for the protection of our religions, we never let it return to its sheath until the victory was achieved. You are aware of the experience which Punjab had during the past 8 to 10 years. Now there is peace in Punjab. We hope we will be successful in our efforts to maintain peace. Nobody from outside will come here to shatter our peace. It will never happen that we start troubles in other country and vitiate the peace there. We want to live amicably with the neighbor as a good neighbor. But if the neighbor occupies our house, creates disturbances, then our safety and security would be of paramount importance to us, and that is what we are doing. Nobody should have any doubts about it. This is the objective behind our nuclear test. Destruction is not the objective, it is self defense which we have in our minds. Now, the neighbor has also carried out tests, and there are number of our friends who have planned for their test. We asked them to explain how could they carry out their test. So can nuclear weapons be developed in just 16 days? Is it possible to launch missiles at such a short notice? No, it was a result of preparations going on for years. We know this since we have taken quite a long time in preparations and in reaching this stage.